It is time for one last Lost Origin Giratina hunt. We have 6 booster bundles. I got them nice and cheap. The cheapest way I've found to open Lost Origin in 2023. Booster boxes are on the rise and blister packs have gone up in price. So when I found the bundles on sale, I could not resist one last sneaky attempt to pull that alt Giratina and finish off this dang set. Oh my goodness. Alright, 6 booster bundles, 36 packs, the equivalent of a booster box. Let's speed roll this. Alright, here we go guys. Special shout out to Cherry Collectibles for having their end of financial year sale. These were already pretty cheap on their website, and with their sale code they became even cheaper. Worked out to be about $4.60 per pack, which is a lot cheaper than buying a booster box of Lost Origin these days. Let us begin. Guys, I'm gonna have so much Lost Origin bulked to list, so let me just tell ya, if you need to finish your Lost Origin set, hit up my store, Lucario's Den, or just hit me up personally on Discord or Instagram. I can do you a deal on any big hits I get today that I don't need. I only need that alt Giratina for myself. That is it for this entire set. Let's go. We're starting off with Hisuian Zoroark V-Star. Yes, I've been opening a lot of Lost Origin lately, here and there, just, you know, trying my luck. I've heard booster bundles have decent hit rates. I haven't opened a lot of them myself. I have seen people pulling alts out of them. For every set, they seem to be pretty good. So here you go. We're trying our luck today. Boom. Volo, Holo.
Volo, Holo.
Alright, for the black code cards, 2 for 2. Oh, 3 for 3. That's what we like to see. You're getting rhymes too today on the Adam P Opens channel. I hope you enjoy. I do like to rhyme, a little rhyme here and there. Come on. Delphox V. Yeah, I got a lot of reverse holos. A lot of oh man. If I see the white border code card, we're just gonna flick through, no card trick. Yeah, I got a lot of V's, V-Stars, trainer galleries. I have thrown a few of them into my stack of hits. I'd like to try and sell bits and pieces of that on my live streams, but you know, they're still for sale. They could still be for sale outside of that as well. Don't know why I'm doing the card trick when I just said I wouldn't do it for a white border code, but there you go. I'm breaking my own rules. Alright, we're almost through the first booster bundle. We have 6, the equivalent of a booster box. So, you know, I've seen people pull alts out of less. So, first one, we got 2 hits, I guess, 2.5. Alright, come on. Come on, Lost Origin. Give us something. Give us something. Give us something to get excited about. You haven't provided the goods in quite a long time now. It's about time. It's about time. Come on. Colross's Experiment's kind of a good one. Come on. That's what we want to see. That is what we want to see. We'll do the card trick. We'll do the card trick. Come on. Come on, Lost Origin. I'm approaching Brilliant Stars levels of opening packs for this set now, which is not good. Of course, Brilliant Stars being the set I've opened the most of any set on this channel, but I think Lost Origin is quickly approaching that number. So, you know, I'm going to have to stop, even though Giratina is getting super expensive. My backup plan is to just trade for it. I've got plenty of stuff I can trade to try and get, because the Giratina is approaching, what is it, $500-600 mark now. I didn't even check what color that code was, and I'm just going straight on through, and we got a new gold. There we go. Nice gold hit. Hey, there we go. And a lady full art right behind it. That is a very nice double banger. I've been pulling a lot of this gold Mew lately, I feel like. Second booster bundle, providing something a little spicy. Can we get anything else? That is the question. We may have something in here, guys, so I'm going to do that card trick. I didn't check the code card. I like to live in suspense here and there. Here and there. Alright, come on, let's go. Metatite, Luminion, nothing. Last pack of the second build and battle kit. Build booster bundle. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right, card trick again. Is it better if I don't check the code cards? I feel like it is. I feel like it adds a little something for all of us. We don't know what we're going to get. Roserade trainer gallery with nothing behind it, but that's all right. It'll be interesting to see if let's go this other top pile here. It'll be interesting to see if the hit rates on 6 of these kind of match that of a booster box, or might that be better than a booster box? That'd be pretty good. I'm gonna guess about the same. From memory, Lost Origin, you with the trainer gallery, you're gonna get anywhere between 10 to 13 hits from a booster box. Hey, there we go. We got another, our first secret rare hit. Another nice one. Is Ken Rainbow Rare. Fun fact, this was one of the last cards that I needed for the set. It isn't expensive though, so I did buy it very recently. And then I did pull it again. Well, I pulled it for the first time after buying it and then sold it to Good Times Gaming because he needed it for his set. And now apparently I can't stop pulling. But I'm taking that as a good sign, everyone. A good sign. We're getting some good hits from the booster bundles, which is what I've heard about them. That there's some absolute bangers to be had. Come on. Surely 6 is enough to get something. To get something. The hat looked weird. Come on. Come on. Shouldn't have done that. Shouldn't have done that. Come on. Come on. Flick through. Flick through. I'm so close to finishing Sword and Shield era every single set. This Giratina is the bane of my existence, as well as the Gengar from Fusion Strike. That is all that I need. As of recording this video, I did manage, as of just today, to purchase the final card that I need for Crown Zenith, the Gold Arceus, Radiant Steelix. Get out of here, Boof. No, I'm not even. No.
No more Bouffalant.
No more Bouffalant. I ain't having it. Yes, managed to purchase the Gold Arceus Crown Zenith for a very, very decent price today. Shout out to that eBay seller. You've helped me complete that set. So look out for an upcoming video. I'm waiting for that and a couple of other cards that I need to finish out that set to arrive in the mail, and then I'll do a video on the completion of Crown Zenith. Very happy about that. Come on, Poliwrath, what do we got? Hey, we got a second Rainbow Rare, and I'm pretty sure this was the same booster bundle. That's quite epic. Misfortune Sisters Rainbow Rare. There we go. So really, we're doing better than a booster box now, because like, when do you ever get 2 Rainbow Rares in a booster box? Alright, come on. Why do I keep doing that? Why do I keep doing that side of the code? I'm sorry, everyone. I'm sorry. So, second, that booster bundle, 2 Rainbow Rare hits. That's pretty unheard of for 6 packs, I think. Anyway, we're halfway through. Got another 18 packs to go. Come on, everyone. Smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel. We do lots of fun videos just like this one. I'm into the live streams now too. You could even become a member if you so wish, because I'm going to be doing members only giveaways every month. That is the plan. Come on. Gallade V Trainer Gallery. That is a nice hit with nothing much else behind it. So far, every single booster box has provided something. A little something. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, that's what we want to see. That's what we want to see. Come on. Lost Origin. You know you want to finally give me something. I've earned it. I've definitely earned it. Come on. Oddish, Zoroark, Pidgeot. Ooh. Alright, let's go. Come on. I did try to buy the Gengar for Fusion Strike, but it keeps falling through. I keep getting ghosted on eBay when I think I found it for a good price. So, you know, I'm probably going to have to wait and get a refund for that and then just bite the bullet and do a trade for it. I guess I don't learn my lesson. I keep thinking I found it for a really good price, and then I just get stitched up. They just ghost me. Stop replying. It's really weird. I don't get why they do that on eBay, because, you know, they're not going to get the money unless they upload tracking, and they're going to get it refunded back to me when they don't send anything. Snorlax! There we go. Volo again. Once again, 3 hits from this booster bundle. Nothing as crazy as the 2 rainbows, but it's still a decent steady stream of hits, what we're seeing here. Come on. Snova, Jinx, Inkay, Squabbit, Phalanx, Gloom, nothing. The hope dwindles. I'm sorry to say, as we come down to the end of our of our third last booster bundle. Oh man, okay, come on. Booster box worth of packs. We're getting decent level of hits here. We got our 3rd rainbow rare. Oh, Thornton, buddy. I think I pulled this one really early on. Maybe that was the full art. I can't remember. So, 4 hits in that one. Definitely providing the goods. 3 rainbow rares. And a full art lady. The hits are definitely better than a booster box in this case. Whoops. There you go. That pack just tore open like butter. That's what I like to see. Come on. We're getting plenty of black border code cards, which is very good to see. Maybe it's true about booster bundles. I haven't really opened enough of them to have a good sample size. What do we got here? Hey, Drapion V. Alright. Come on. Doing the code card trick. Doing the card trick. My goodness. Giving you the code cards. Because, you know, I'm dragging out this video just that little bit extra. You know? It's what I like to do. Come on. Gengar! Come on. The Thornton came from this one, didn't it? So we've gotten 2 hits from this one so far. Let's go straight through this one. There we go. This way. I screwed that up. Metatite, Squabbit, Gligar, Phantump, Sudowoodo, Shiftry. I like to mix up my opening style, guys. Sometimes I slow roll it. Sometimes I do the card trick. Sometimes I just do this.
Oh my goodness.
Why?
Give you that. Those to the side. Do that. Take this Bouffalant and do that. No more Bouffalant! I will not have it. I will not accept any more Bouffalant. I'm sorry. It just is not happening. Come on. Spiritomb. Hisuian Gudra full art. That is, in fact, a double banger. Alright. Oof. Okay. We're doing alright in the hits department here, guys. I'm a believer. I'm a believer in the booster bundles. You just haven't given me the one thing that I need. I'm sorry. I'm a believer. Come on. Just help me out. Just one alternate art. We'll get a Radiant Gardevoir. Oh, that's okay. Oh my goodness. 5 packs left. This is how we do it. We play it down to the wire to get that big hit. Come on. Anyone out there want to trade me a Gira? I'm just going to start asking now. It want to be nice to me, please. Or Beetle, Magnezone V-Star. Well, suffice to say, the hit count is good. If I didn't already have nearly the entire set, this would be great. Clefairy, Wurmple, Murkrow, Bonicle, Ghastly, Damage Pump, Comfy. Can we get one more nice, big, juicy hit in these last 2 packs of Lost Origin? I can't promise that I'm never going to open any more until I actually have that Gira in my hands, until I actually do a trade or whatever else. Then I am probably never going to give up hope. Always going to keep chasing. Probably just not on this level. You know, I just can't afford the booster boxes anymore. If I get another booster box, it will be to keep sealed. But yeah, any good deals on Lost Origin, I may give it another try here and there. Can we get anything? Magnetite. Before we do our last pack, quick little summary of the hits. We got in 4 Vs, 2 V-Stars, 2 Radiants, 2 Full Arts, 5 Trainer Gallery, and 3 Rainbow Rares. So very decent hit rates there, ladies and gentlemen. 5 holos there as well, if you care. 18 hits in total, which is better than a booster box. So you heard it here first, everyone. Booster bundles over booster box. If anything, we've the video has helped us to realize that. if no Gira, at least we have come to realize that. And as we open our final pack here, I will do my best to not spoil it. And we'll do that card trick. Guys, if you've enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel. We are on the road to 5K. When we get there, the next big celebration live stream with giveaways will occur. In the meantime, we will be doing lots of member giveaways, so consider becoming a member of the channel. Hit that little join button just down below. As for right now, have a great day. Good luck with all your own pulls. If you want to keep watching, click on one of these other videos that's popping up on the screen. And I will catch you all in the very next video. See ya. Bye. Nothing barbarical.